At noon, you mentioned this, and then it just caught my eye again. Sunset right around 8 o'clock.
Heat over southern Maine,
Yeah.
yeah, still in the high 7s elsewhere, but it's nice. I mean, you start to notice with this job, we get home, well, it depends where you're right, it's your exact commute or whatever, but like you get home, it's still light out.
Yes, and what a difference that makes.
Yeah.
To
I'm
have
starting to
a
mess
little
around and
time.
do projects at night now. I'm
Yeah,
back in
you're
that
in that time?
Back in that season. But
For a little while.
yeah, it's not
a long season.
It's not a super long season, but it's nice while it exists. 65 is what we got to today in Portland once again. Warmest spot of the state was northern Maine, 83 degrees in Caribou. It was even warmer up towards Presque Isle, Holton at 82. And so we had a really mild day, even inland in the mid and upper 70s. So a lot of us did well today. We talked yesterday about how, yeah, the pattern was going to change and we're going to see more clouds, but it wasn't going to be all bad. And I think that's how it turned out. You could see there was more cloud cover around than yesterday for sure. But a good patch of sun, especially earlier in the day, and even some sun out there right now over down East Maine and Western Maine. There are some showers too, but generally scattered and light. The best chance of showers for the next couple of hours will be into the mountains. Tonight, fog comes back in some areas along the coast. We were just looking at one of our cameras here in Portland. You could see the fog right offshore. So it's lurking, waiting for its moment to move it. Look at that. It's almost like we planned it. So it makes that cruise ship look real creepy, doesn't it? Very, very, very creepy vibe. So that fog coming back on and getting a little bit thicker tonight into early tomorrow morning. And I think tomorrow we start with more clouds than today. Spatially, more of the state will be cloudy initially in the 50s. We start burning those clouds off from northwest to southeast. And so we do it easily in the mountains, foothills, western Maine. It'll be more of a fight to get the sun along the coast, but I think we'll have periods of sun at least with temperatures in the 60s. Inland will be in the 70s with pop-up showers and storms, but again, not a ton of those. Do it again on Saturday. Start with a lot of clouds, but by Saturday, midday into the afternoon, now it's more legitimate rain moving in. You can see it moving from the west Saturday afternoon. Heavy downpours, perhaps some thunderstorms in there too, Saturday afternoon through Saturday night with a downpour and another chance of downpours on Saturday evening, and then showers around and a lot of clouds around on Sunday too. The weekend is unsettled. If anything, Sunday looks a little bit cloudier and a little bit more showery than it did yesterday. That low moves away a little bit, but our overall pattern next week is not great. It is troughy into next week, meaning a good amount of clouds around, a chance for showers most days. And if anything, that pattern reloads and gets stronger for the end of the week and into Memorial Day weekend. So Memorial Day weekend is looking like, if you showed me this and you said, which of the summer holidays is this? It's a Memorial Day weekend. It just has that look with the showers and the clouds, and I don't see that kind of large scale changing. So it's just a matter of details. Notice, Brian, too, also temperatures suppressed during that time period, Monday, Tuesday. We did put a sliver of sun in Monday, Tuesday, because there will be some. These upper level lows tend to be like that, but probably back to more legitimate rain on Thursday. And again, I don't have high hopes for the early look at Memorial Day weekend. Okay, well, here's a reminder that we have another edition of Weather Wheaties that'll be dropping at 6:30 tonight. Ryan, Breton, and I talk about this endless pattern of clouds and rain and some sun we're in, as well as how our memory and your memory can play tricks on you when it comes to what the weather was like on a certain day and or making a career move. Yeah. That's how you ended up back here. You remembered it being fun, and then you got back and you're like,
exactly it. I'm like, where's the door? No.
Memory versus reality.
No, not going anywhere.
It's a whole conversation. Ryan, anything to say there? You can join us for Weather Weenies every weeknight. And if you've got a weather question, email us at weatherweenies@newscentermaine.com. If you don't already have the News Center Maine Plus app, you should get it. You can download it for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV. And we were just talking about people's memories of Memorial Day weekends. We asked to send the ones you remember being nice and see if you can remember a year.
I feel like there's not a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
So it'll be interesting to see what you were chiming in with. All right, Keith, thank you.